I'm going to share with you how you can do social media as your full-time job as a content creator and an entrepreneur. So there's a few ways you can make money on social media. Number one is being a content creator or influencer. So this is where you create videos on behalf of a brand, they send you the product and you talk about it. Number two is being a business owner or entrepreneur. So this is where you sell a product or service online and you promote it on social and your audience buys it. What I do is I act as both a content creator and an entrepreneur. So if a brand wants me to create a video about their product, that is a service that I offer. So I'll be the face of their brand. Number two is offering services such as social media coaching and social media management. So these are ways that I personally make money on social. If you're wanting to make money on social, the first thing that I would do is I would make a gigantic list of things that you love to create content about. Is it lifestyle videos? Is it get ready with me? You want to make a whole list of videos that you personally enjoy that aligns with your brand. So after you have done that, what I would do is I would write out your goals. So what is it that you truly want to do on social? Are you wanting to work with brands? Is that how you want to make an income? Is it to sell a product or service? You really got to get clear on what you want to do so that you can work backwards. So for example, if you want to make money as a content creator or influencer, I would make a huge list of brands that you want to work with. So for example, Starbucks, Old Navy, you name it. Make a list, and what I would do is I would find items in your house that you already have. So for example, if you own a Keurig and you love that coffee machine, I would write down that company, and what I would do is I would create content like a day in a life showcasing coffee, just like this Yeti mug. I would showcase that in my videos. This way, when a brand sees your videos, you tag them on social, they see that you're already using their product, and this creates that trust. Then what I would do is I would pitch myself to those brands. So find either their PR, contact information. This usually takes time sometimes, even DMing them on Instagram, just talking about who your brand is, who your target audience is, and then keep on following up with them. Eventually, they will notice you. Sometimes it's tough to get their attention, but I promise you, if you keep on reaching out and following up, someone will answer the email. If you like this video, make sure to follow me for more social media and content creator tips.